Hey guys, what's going on? So today I will be giving an update on my new daily along with the MR2. It has definitely been quite some time since I did a last vlog just because I've been very busy with school and work and whatnot, and I just didn't have the time to really work on the MR2. But I've also been busy because of my new daily, which I'll be very excited to show in a bit. So for now, let me just show you the MR2. So this is what it currently looks like at this moment. Yeah, there's a bit of mess. We're renovating my bathroom right now, so there is some other foreign stuff here, but other than that, yeah, the engine the old 1ZZ has been taken out. I was definitely doing some work on it before I got bombarded with classes. I don't have it. I do have some videos, but I just never got really to editing, to posting it, just because of my busy schedules. This is the old 1ZZ, as you can tell. You know, the old 5-speed, and this is the 2ZZ. So as you can see, it is torn down. There's quite some stuff that I was fixing before I got really busy with life. Timing is off. I kind of did mess up on when I was trying to do my lift bolt exchange, because one of them were broken, so I had to tap out the oil railing thing that connects to, and along the way I did mess up on the timing. I'm not gonna uncover it right now just because I'm really lazy, but yeah, so I need to fix the timing. Once I fix the timing, I can put all the other stuff back on it, and I should be able to put the engine into the car. And now's the only time I've really been able to really take a good look at this. It has been a couple months since I last touched this, or a month to be exact. A month since I last touched it, but I got the engine 2 months ago. I pulled out the old engine 2 months ago also. It was during October. That's when I had a bit more free time compared to like the past November and December. I've just been bombarded with classes. So this will be a very exciting build to finish, since I have time now and to show you guys. And so the next thing I was going to show you guys is my new daily. So this is a Hyundai Veloster 2020 R-Spec. It's quite dirty. It's been a very rainy / very cold morning, so car's definitely been through the weather so far. It's really dirty. It is chalk white. This is the only one available in NorCal so far that is a 2020. I mean, heck, if you even look for an R-Spec right now, there's only one used that is chalk white also, but 2019, and that's the only one for sale in North California. So I've had this for a week now, I believe. Last week was when I got the car, last Sunday actually, and it's been a really good car. I already put roughly 1,000 miles on it, so definitely driven it quite a bit. And just to show over some specs here, it is a turbo 4-cylinder 1.6 liter front wheel drive. The R-Spec only comes in manual, so props for that, manual only. And comes with 18-inch rims right here with wheel locks, and comes with Pilot Sport 4s. So these are very, very grippy boys. All right, they're very grippy. And it comes with the R-Spec. They also do have the upgraded brakes, so you can see how big that caliper really is, along with the brake disc. And yeah, braking power has been really good. I haven't really fully tested it just because it is brand new, so I'm just letting it sit for a bit, letting it settle before I push it a bit. Rear brakes are definitely smaller, as you can tell right there. Along with the R-Spec, it does come with the Sport muffler. It's more aggressive compared to the stock one. It does burble at low RPM, so it's a bit cool. Trunk space, let's see if I can open this. Oh, don't have the key with me. So Another thing here is unlock the car. I'll show the interior later. Trunk is a bit messy right now, but a lot of space. There is definitely a lot of space in here. Could probably fit 2 large size luggages, which is good. And you can also roll the seat back, the back seats forward, I mean. So it's a good thing. Rear wiper. It comes with projector fronts with DRLs. It does have adaptive high beam, so there's no cars oncoming and it's very dark, it would turn on your high beams for you and turn it off if there's a car. And then there's also some fake vents right here. This is the real vent right here. This actually goes to the side. These are real vents right here. The top and bottom ones are. This is just a protective covering because there's the bash bar right there. So red trim. I think that's the only red trim that's on the car. And then, you know, the nice wheels. You see the turbo right there. Pretty cool. So yeah, pretty exciting to have owned this car for a week. It's only been a week, but it's been a great week. I used to have a 2007 Camry, so this has definitely been a big upgrade. So as you can see here, okay, you can see nice leather wheel, yellow stitching, not stitching, but yellow trim pieces, only for the R spec, along with the yellow right here, yellow stitching, and then the yellow mark. This is very comfortable seat too. Very good bolstering. You know, you're not gonna move, trust me, you're not gonna move. Plenty comfy. There's enough leg room. I would say definitely even the back, there's a lot of leg room. I sat in the back, I was like, oh wow. And the thing about the Veloster is only 3 doors, so it's got the 2 switches here and then the one for the rear back there. It's a coupe on the driver's side and a normal hatchback on the other side. And another thing that's unique to the R spec is the B&M short shifter. So the short shifter is standard on the R spec, while it is, I believe, optional on the other cars. But reverse, bam. So yeah, the short shifter has been pretty good, pretty notchy. It's pretty good to shift. Manual handbrake, always love those. And this car does have Apple CarPlay and Android. So music, so pretty cool. Low pressure, yeah. Cold weather has just been really messing with my TPMS. Definitely need to inflate the tires more. It's only at like 26 psi right now just because of the cold weather. So has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, has all the little nitbits. There is also a reverse camera, which you can see right there. Pretty cool. You know, all your buttons are right here, very nice and simple. Normal plug-in right there, along with, this is the cable for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and then fast charging. So pretty good, pretty loaded. There is no heated seats. As you can tell, this will be right here. No heated seats, no heated steering wheel. But other than that, this car is pretty much good for its price. I've managed to get this car out of the door for roughly 22 out of the door. MSRP is like 23.5, so it's pretty good. Oh, and that's the nice tune, the little Korean welcoming message. This is a Korean car after all. So yeah, I drove this car for 1,000 miles or a week, so been putting quite a bit of miles. Braking period is 600 miles. And once I passed that 600 miles, you know, that's when I first started pushing the car, and it's been pretty quick. 0-60 in 6 seconds, not bad at all for a front wheel drive car. There is no LSD, that is the one thing, but then again, this is my daily. It's not like I'm gonna be tracking it like the MR2, but you know, LSD would be nice. You know, it would be nice to, you know, test it out, get on the autocross. I would like to at least autocross this car. I want to know how it's gonna do with a short wheelbase with a Pilot Sport Force. and see how it does against other cars. I think the other cars in this class are the SI, and I've already actually beaten a 9th gen on the straight, so not bad, not bad. It is turbo after all. I will go more in depth in another video on what I like and dislike about the car, but for now, that is the update. That is what's been going on. Yeah, so this is the new daily. Pretty nice. I can show more on it on another video. And has been the update so far on the MR2 Spyder. Just had a bunch of parts laying around. You can tell. Oil pan, really nice quality oil pan. Flywheel, lightweight flywheel, and clutch are on its way, along with the custom exhaust, or it's the monkey wrench race headers is what I'm waiting for. Those ones take a while just because they don't stock them. They are made to order. So been pretty cool. So this is all that's been happening. You'll see more videos on this bad boy, being in that bad boy right there. Can't wait to get this car running and ready for the 2020 season, and possibly even get the daily onto that little fun of autocross. Well, this will be a track car, so I won't even be autocrossing this at all. It'll just be a straight up track car, where that could be my autocross, still under warranty. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. You'll see more videos on this in the future. Peace.